Good morning, I'm Nashika and this is chale.news. It's August 1st and we have a full plate today. President Mahama makes history in Yendi. A Kumasi community is flattened with nowhere to go. The Black Queens are winning in Morocco. And MOLIY just dropped something massive. Let's get into it. President Mahama traveled to Yendi yesterday for the Dagbon Regent installation, becoming the first sitting president to publicly address Kampakuya na Yakubu Abukari by title. He pledged government support for development projects begun under the late RANA and praised Dagbon's people for their composure since the overlord's passing on July 11th. A significant moment culturally and politically. On the vote-buying front, a senior Ghana police service officer has called food sharing at elections a crime scene. That framing carries real weight, especially alongside allegations that Council of State delegates in the Volta region were paid 5,000 Ghanaian cedis each for their votes. The debate isn't abstract anymore. Rights group RANA is done accepting apologies. After MP Yakubu Mohammed made a marriage comment to a 9-year-old during a school visit, RANA is demanding Parliament publish child safeguarding guidelines, mandate training, and create formal reporting mechanisms. Parliament has not responded. An apology, they say, won't protect the next child. $25 million gone in 6 months through a diesel tax scam. Parliament has now passed a new fuel levy law to close the loophole smugglers were exploiting. Buy diesel, disguise it as fuel oil, claim industrial tax exemptions. The fix aligns the levies. Whether it pushes costs onto industry is still being watched. Full breakdown on chale.news. Soldiers and police stood guard as bulldozers tore through New Zongo in Asawase, Kumasi on Thursday. The Asokore Mampong Municipal Assembly cited crime and a recent murder. But here's the thing. No relocation plan exists for the people who just lost their homes. None announced, none in sight. The family of Bukom Junction crash victim Esther Arthur visited the Gender Ministry yesterday to invite the minister to her funeral, Tuesday, August 4th. The ministry is working to pull graphic images of her body from circulation online. Still no accountability for the crash that killed her. Here's an angle on the Galamsey crackdown that hasn't gotten enough attention. Immigration officials are warning that anti-Galamsey operations may be scattering human trafficking networks rather than dismantling them. Remote mining sites are already flagged as forced labor hotspots. No ministry has announced victim protection protocols tied to the crackdown. That gap matters. Her name is Mwinsenbu, a forced marriage survivor sheltered at Was Jinsung Refuge. She's starting Basic 7 this term, on a scholarship from NGO Relkaso Ghana. Beautiful news. But the shelter itself still has zero government funding committed. An NGO is carrying what the state should. Ghana is exploring a system where fishers and coastal businesses help pay to protect the seas they depend on. The Payment for Ecosystem Services framework is being developed under a GEF-funded project with Côte d'Ivoire and Togo. No timeline yet, but it's a conversation worth having. The Black Queens opened WAFCON 2026 with a 2-0 win over Cape Verde and Morocco and earned a 20,000 Ghanaian cedi locker room bonus from BetPawa on top of it. Next challenge, Cameroon in Group C. The Queens are rolling chale. Barcelona have signed 18-year-old Jesse Bisiwu, Belgian-Ghanaian winger, compared to Lamine Yamal, 5-year deal from Club Brugge. He holds Ghanaian nationality. If the GFA moves fast, he could wear Black Stars colors. Someone make the call. FIFA is offering federations $40 million each to back private investor entry into the World Cup. Football administrator Eric Alagadades says the GFA should refuse, warning it risks pricing out ordinary fans and drawing uncomfortable comparisons to the Blatter era. The GFA hasn't stated its position yet. Rival fans in Denmark just voted 19-year-old FC Nordsjælland midfielder Caleb Yirenkyi the Superliga's most admired player, 17.4% in a bold survey, ahead of established names. He also took Young Player of the Year this season. European clubs are watching, Ghana should be too. MOLIY just dropped Baddies MOLIY. 12 tracks featuring Tyla, Sarkodie, Shenseea, Skillibeng, and Yailin Lama's viral. One of the most globally connected guest lists on any Ghanaian project in recent memory. European headline tour coming in October. Ghana is in the room. That's your August 1st morning digest. Every story we covered today and more is waiting for you at chale.news. Stay informed, stay sharp. See you soon.